Push-ups are a great bodyweight exercise because they require no equipment, target key muscle groups, and effectively build strength and lean muscle mass when performed correctly. But like any exercise, how you perform push-ups can have a big impact on what they do for you. Specifically, where you align your hands for a push-up can have a serious impact on the muscles you are activating and how intensely they are activated. Whether you are a push-up addict or someone looking to get in better shape, knowing these details can help you get the most from this classic exercise. Different hand positions place different types of stress on your body. Before we start with the 5 basic explosive arm workouts, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell notification icon so that you do not miss any regular weekly updates from our channel, where I would be uploading some weekly content about nutrition, fitness and lifestyle. So our first exercise will be close grip tricep push-ups. So according to the 2005 study, the close grip tricep push-ups results in roughly 10% greater pectoralis major activation and 15% greater triceps brachii activation than the standard push-ups. The 2016 study confirms these findings while also concluding that the close grip push-ups resulted in greater activation of the pectoralis minor and the infraspinatus. Number 2 in our list is outside palms push-ups. Your biceps are two muscles in your upper arm called biceps brachii and the brachialis. They cover the front of your upper arm, help you move your elbow, and very important when playing sports such as badminton. You are typically working on your biceps by curling and expanding your chest, while your triceps and chest are being worked out while pushing. Number 3 in our list is the reverse grip push-ups for biceps. So the bicep brachii muscles, known simply as the biceps muscle, is the muscle on front of your upper arm, as said by me a few seconds back. The main function of this exercise is to bend your forearm towards your upper arm. Although a standard push-up doesn't target the biceps muscle much to a great extent, changing the position of your hands in respect to your palms can make this muscle play a large role in this movement. Which brings me to exercise number 4, palms inside push-ups. Palms inside push-up target wholly on all of your triceps brachii, long head, lateral head as well as medial heads, with biceps brachii, pectorals, teres major and teres minor as secondary targeting muscles. Now let's talk about concentration curls. Yes, you heard it right, the concentration curls which we normally do in the gym using your own body weight, that is leg. Concentration curl using legs is similar to actual concentration curl, where you target your biceps brachii and brachialis, and it will lead you to a greater result in a situation when you don't have access to gym in this lockdown, or maybe you have a habit of quitting your gym and doing workout in your home. So guys, if you feel slight pain by the end of these 5 exercises that I told you, kindly do subscribe this channel and do not forget to press the bell notification icon so that you do not miss any regular updates from my channel, where I will be uploading some regular content about fitness, lifestyle, nutrition, right? So guys, I'm also on Instagram. Feel free to follow me on Instagram.
And guys, just see this. I am fully pumped up from this 5 set of exercises. Implement it in your one of the workout day in a week, right? And do workout. It's very important to boost your immune in this lockdown. So guys, see you in the next video. Till then, take care.